Moving, there we go.
Hi, Facebook friends. I'm pretty sure that's what you were going to say.
That is what I was going to say. Hey, Facebook friends, Lois with Ellie Grease's Attic here and my sidekick. Do you want to introduce yourself?
Bob.
Oh, you're not. His name is Bob today.
Yay!
We are having our creative time. We're already full of paint, fun, but we wanted to share this fun, easy craft with you guys because we're all in the same boat together, so we're at home, and so we're just doing some fun, creative time. Today we are making, what are we making, Jordan?
A paper butterfly.
A paper butterfly. And so we are trying to do crafts and share with you some crafts just with the things that we find on hand at home. And so today, most of us have coffee filters in our house. So we're making butterflies out of just some white coffee filters. You could use the brown recycled ones if you have those. So that's what we're doing today. So we have coffee filters and we have clothespins. A lot of you have clothespins in your house. I have them for craft purposes. Obviously, I don't hang clothes on the line, but this thing I got at the dollar store years ago. There's 50 of them in here. It cost me like $1, maybe $2. So these are all inexpensive things and things most of us have on hand. And then for our antennae, we had pipe cleaners, but you can certainly use construction paper or paper. So those are the three main things we're using, and then we're using paint. We are using watercolor paints that we are mixing. We have these little tubes of watercolors. You can buy watercolors already mixed, and we're just putting a drop in each little well of the colors we want and just adding a little bit of water to it to kind of loosen it up. So that's what we're using, but you can certainly do this craft with crayons, right, Jordan? Mm-hmm. You could use regular acrylic paint if you have that, tempera paint. You could use markers, right?
Mr. Danielle's watching.
Miss Danielle's watching? Oh, I'm glad you can see that. Hey, Miss Danielle, if you're watching us today or crafting with us, give us a wave. Let us know where you're watching from.
Post a comment.
Post a comment. Tell us hi. Spread the love on Facebook. Let your friends know. What else? Click those 3 little dots in the upper right corner and get notified when we go live. We're going to be sharing.
And click that thumbs up button.
He's a natural, isn't he?
I got it from other YouTubers.
From other YouTubers. Oh, man. Okay. So we're going to be sharing with our friends, right, some of our move time that we do and some of our creative time, right? Okay. So we're going to try to come on hopefully once a day, or at least once a week, hopefully once a day, and share with you the things that we're doing to keep busy, keep creative, keep our mind sharp, right? So today we're going to paint these butterflies. We've already started. All we did was, I got a comedian on my hands, friend.
What?
All we did was kind of flatten out. We got our thing, flatten out our filter on your work area. Always remember to put down some wax paper or newspaper, cover your work area. Do you want to move yours right here so our friends can see what you're doing? What about this one? Did you already paint your wings?
Yes.
Okay, so you can paint
my thing?
Clothespin.
Okay.
Our clothespin body. So we did one ahead of time what it dries, so it would dry, so you guys wouldn't have to wait on it to dry, but we'll show you. We just dipped our paintbrush and we're just coloring it. Again, you could do this with Crayola. Now this is acrylic paint I'm using on the body, just because to a little better coverage. Oops, I got a dust bunny on there. We don't want that.
The three segments of an insect.
Yes, what are the 3 segments of an insect, Jordan?
Abdomen, head, and thorax.
Who knew? You heard it here, folks. Abdomen, thorax,
and
head. The 3 parts of an insect. That is good information.
Hey, did you know this is a fact for Miss Danielle.
Oh, Miss Danielle, fun fact, is Drake with you or is he still, are the kids with you? Okay. What's the fun fact? Share with our friends.
Did you know that in the prehistoric time, there used to be a giant centipede called Arthropleura, and when it would stand up like this, it would be as tall as a Christmas tree. And if you did not know, centipedes today have fangs,
What? And that's why I try to avoid centipedes.
but millipedes don't.
Millipedes don't? Well, how do you know the difference between a millipede and a centipede? Because I'm not.
They have more legs.
Well,
Millipedes have more legs.
I understand that, but when you're just glancing at it, I don't know. I'm not getting that close to count the legs.
Its body is thicker.
Oh, the centipede or the millipede?
The millipede.
The body of a millipede is thicker. Okay, that's good information because I don't want to get bitten.
Because
All right.
you're like, is that a centipede or a millipede?
Are you working or talking?
I'm done with my 2 seconds.
You are? Okay. All right, so all I did was just cover the, Jordan did not show him yours. He just painted the top and the bottom. He didn't paint the sides, but I did all mine. I painted the little inside well, the little inside of the thing. Actually, on this one though, I didn't paint the little dippy dip, the little crevice in there. Just so we'll have a, okay. So this one's dry. All right. So we painted our little body and then we put that aside to dry, and then we have already flattened out our coffee filter. And so is this your brush or Nana's?
Then mine.
Are you sure?
This one's the dirty one that I use.
All right. This is hashtag real life friends.
Oh, Miss
It
Chelsea.
could go sideways real quick. What? Aunt Chelsea's watching. Hey, Aunt Chelsea. Y'all wave and put in the comments where you're watching from.
And click the thumbs up button.
And what else? Send it to a friend. Spread the love.
And subscribe.
And subscribe. All right, so we're painting coffee filter butterflies today. We flattened out our coffee filter. We washed off our brush. And let's put some yellow on here, right, Jordan?
Well, I made a monarch.
A monarch? What makes your monarch? What makes the monarch butterfly the monarch butterfly? What's unique about the way that it looks?
Its wings.
Its wings. So, what do the wings of a monarch butterfly look like?
So, half of the wing of a monarch butterfly is covered with yellow, and the other half is colored with black, and it has white spots on it. The black part.
It does.
In other words,
It looks like that. Okay.
well, let's sloppy put up.
I think my paintbrush was dirty, but you get the idea.
You get the idea.
I'm just adding a little bit of yellow. Do you have yellow? My yellow just went out. We're working with watercolors today, but again, you could do this with Crayola, you could do this with markers, you could do it with whatever you have on hand. And I just kind of drew stripes and polka dots. You could do whatever design you wanted. It's your butterfly, get creative. So are you ready to put yours together?
Yes.
Oh, let me plug in the hot glue. We're using hot glue to attach our, is it a 10I or a 10A?
A 10
A 10I, okay.
Well, that's a plural form.
It is. A tenna, right, would be the singular.
Yes.
All right, we're plugging in the hot glue.
I remember when
And
one once got burned by that.
yes, it's very hot.
Well,
I
that's
have to kind of have it over here in the corner. This glue gun's about 30 years old. It does not have an extension, a long extension cord. So we're gonna let that heat up, and we're gonna put our butterfly. Won't take it long. All right, we have our pipe cleaners for our
How do we?
10I. You just need one, Bubba, to work with. You just need one. Put one to the side. So we'll do a 10I. I'm gonna get that wrong. What do they look like? Do you bend this in half?
An antenna, well, compare.
Or tell us what the purpose of the antennae on the butterfly is. What does it do?
Well, fun fact.
Fun fact number 2.
Butterflies smell with their feet. No, they taste with their feet. So,
Really?
yes. So this is used for.
Does it help them see where they're going?
I was about to say that, but then I wondered, do they have eyes?
I don't know.
Well, their
Are we
eyes
gonna
are.
have to Google this?
Okay. Well, they're
Is it
probably.
worth a Google? Do
Well-
you know, friends?
Well, their bodies are very small, so it probably has very small eyes. So, feeling, smelling, and seeing.
That's what my guess would be too. All right, so I think let's see if our glue gun is up. Yeah. All right, so we're just gonna squirt a little dot, maybe. Not quite hot. You might have to give it a few. Oh, there it goes. All right, that's not as handy yours. Is this yours? Which
No,
one is- Which one are you using?
this one. You have yours.
All right, so we're just popping a little glue dot right on the end. Take your antennae, and just,
I hope I don't get burned this time.
yes.
Don't.
Definitely don't let your kiddos use the hot glue gun alone.
Unless if they have permission.
Okay. Hold on. Also, you probably have to glue that down really quick, not let hers dry before she put her antennae on there. Okay.
That's exactly what happened to my brush.
Let's try it again.
Let's
There
try
we
it
go.
again. Let's try it again. Let's try
If
it
at
again.
first you don't succeed, try again.
Well,
You could probably do this with Elmer's glue too, but if you're using paper, but since we were using the pipe cleaners, we broke out the hot glue gun because, I mean, come on. It's always fun when you get to use hot glue gun, right? So now we're just gonna kind of, I'm sorry, did I interrupt you?
no, go ahead.
Oh, now we're gonna kind of, you can bend these and you can turn your little
Oh, okay.
antennae and shape them up so they look like real antennae, right? Kind of.
Hey.
So see, they kind of look like that. How cute is that? So now, are you ready to clip your butterfly?
Joker, what
Oh,
is a baby's motto?
What is a baby's motto?
If you don't succeed on the first try, cry again.
Oh man. Okay, that's awesome. That is awesome, bud. Okay, are you twirling
Click the
your?
like button.
Are you twirling your antennae?
I don't want to break it.
You don't want to break it. Do you want Nana to?
Sure.
Or you want to leave them like that? Okay. I'll hold it and you twirl. Okay. Oh, that's kind of cool because it looks like they're feeling.
They're
like,
fangs. They're
this is
fangs.
what Jordan did to his.
Tarantula. It's
Yeah.
a tarantula
All right.
hawk.
So now what we're gonna do is take our flat coffee filter and you're just gonna kind of do like accordion, kind of pinch it in the middle,
Okay.
right?
Luckily I left.
Like so. And then you're gonna take your clip. Make sure your design is facing you when you do this.
How do you do this?
And we're just gonna clip it and kind
Can you?
of push it down to the middle.
Can you do this? I don't know how to.
Okay, hold on, and I'm gonna help
Is
you.
it like this?
Sort of. Look, and then you flatten out
How do you do?
your butterfly.
How do you do this?
So he looks like this when you're done. Let me zoom in. What? Look at that cute butterfly.
I
Okay.
can't do it.
Well, hold on. Where's your middle? Is this one wing and that's one wing, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we're just gonna pinch, kind of. You can, and the cool thing is, it's okay if it crumples up. Don't freak out. So you kind of just pinch it, and you're kind of just pinching it accordion style. So you're just kind of doing that, because you can flatten out your little wings at the end. So you pinch it, and you put the clip on right there in the middle. Be careful. Okay, it will tear, so you gotta, hold on. We gotta turn it to, there we go, where our wings are flat. And you kind of shove it down. Do you want to spread out your wings?
Miss Angel is watching.
Hey, Miss Angel. Boy, I tell you what, this is where it pays to have a youngin' with you. Because Mama has on bifocals, and I can't read those from this far away. We put you guys back there so we could kind of get the whole little work area in. And so, yeah, that's funny. You got good eyes, bub. All right.
I like viewers.
This is actually, I love these colors. Kind of gold and black are great colors together.
And
so once you get it pinched in the middle, then you can kind of
adjust your antennae.
adjust your antennae and your wings. Right, we're going to kind of turn these sideways like that. How's that? Are you happy with that end result?
Mm-hmm.
You are? Okay. So
We are crash landing.
here's our butterflies.
Oh, look out! Look out!
Butterflies make people happy, right? We love butterflies.
Crash
So
landing.
we're gonna maybe make a couple more of these. Maybe we should make like a little family.
Hey, Nana.
Is it a family of butterflies or a flock of butterflies? What do you call them?
When they're hibernating, it's called a flock.
It is. Okay, well we're gonna go with flock. Since they have wings, we're gonna go with flock, right?
We are crash landing.
Oh, don't do that. You know, do butterflies crash land?
No.
No,
But a bee can slam into them.
they can.
Mhm.
That sounds
Like
dangerous.
a hornet. A hornet?
Is that their enemy, hornets?
I do not know.
You don't know? We'll have to Google that. We're going to have to do some butterfly research, folks. But in the meantime, most of us have these few simple things on hand. Coffee filters, clothespins,
You say most of us.
most of us. And we use pipe cleaners, but you can make the antenna with paper, construction paper or regular paper. And you can certainly do the painting part with Crayolas or markers if you have that instead of paint, whatever you have on hand. So, have we had fun?
Mm-hmm.
This was fun.
Hey,
One more
Jo-
fact.
Joker
And then
number
we'll-
2. Joker
Oh,
number
a
2.
joke. You are full of jokes.
What is the strongest animal, aka strongest bug?
The strongest bug?
Well, I think
Is
it's
it
a
a
bug.
flying bug or a bug on the ground?
Bug on the ground. I don't know if this is a bug, but
I'm gonna say a beetle.
no.
An ant.
No.
Then I don't know.
A snail, because it carries its house on its back.
All right, folks. Now you know. Inquiring minds want to know what the strongest bug is. So anyway, I hope this gave you.
Sorry about Bob.
Oh, we did a cat filter yesterday, and Jordan is obsessed with the cat filter. So anyway, we hope this inspired you to pick up what you have in your house, get creative, have some fun. Since we're all kind of stuck in this together, we're going to try to come on and share our creative time and our move time with you guys. We love you, and until we see you again, happy crafting. You have one more thing to say?
Ladies and gentlemen.
Do you want to come in the camera where they can see your face?
No, I have to be popped down.
Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a crash landing.
Oh. All right, friends. Happy crafting. Have a great rest of your day.
Leave a
Love
like.
you guys.
Leave a like.